Hey everyone, back to the C1 Corvette. Well, I lied to you. I thought I was going to get to the wiring in the engine bay today, but as I was looking at this pile of wires that have cuts and splices and stuff like that, I decided to chase it under here and figured, well, what's all this? Well, I don't have my camera crew here this week, or ever. Heater motor. Switches, right? So you've got your fancy clock down here. Temperature, which we can pull. Works. Air vent. Air. Works. And then the top is defroster, which you pull for the defroster. Works. And then you turn the knob to go low, medium, and high. So, inspecting back here, I can see the wire coming from the defroster fan, and it is boop, not connected. I'm not even sure they use the spade connector, but you know, the hose, I mean, all this stuff has to be replaced. Please don't go be like, oh my god, it's broken. Dude, it's older than me, man. All of this stuff, the hose, as you can see, they're brittle. They gotta be replaced. So let's not get all, the car is still here, right? That vent is shredded. All the wiring on the back side, it's dark back here. All the wiring back here checks out. The clock, the heater assembly goes back up over here. So that one that we're worried about, the defroster fan, where it's gonna go turn on, it's here. I had to go figure that out, but the radio's not here. You know that. It got stolen in the 80s, which, not the end of the world, but it sucks. But let me go chase that other wire and figure out where it goes to and see if there's a wire that connects to here that's missing. All right, so after a little wiring diagram and a little discovery, going back to the story, in the 1985, my parents moved to a new house. Long story short, no sooner later moved in. One night, someone came in and took the hood, the steering wheel, the radio, and they proceeded to go across our lawn. Our neighbor caught them with their German Shepherd. They left everything and ran off. They had the radio with them. We never got that back, I don't think. I remember seeing it at the house at one time, but I'm not sure if it was the Wunderbar radio. In any case, with all the wiring taps and other stuff, I cannot know who or what or where, but I know if someone was taking a bunch of stuff, they'd come running through here and whatnot. But long story short, I talk a lot, sorry. This wire with the spade connector, it was on the back of the switch. It's not hard. It was probably just jammed out of the way to get the radio out. And that's it. So let's move on to the next one, which sorry, I'm not Schwarzenegger. I just got hit in the back. Dang! Boom! Ow! Excuse the noise. Yeah, our next adventure is going to be finding out all of this and all of that and all of this and all of that and all of this, that, all of that. Yes, the battery tray has seen better days. Doesn't mean the car is rusty, it just means acid sitting in a tray does not do well. So when I put the battery in here, I'll probably just throw a piece of plate on there just to hold it down, but that's another day, another story. vent seen better days. This car does need a complete overhaul, restoration, but it's 5,000 miles, 327. Till next time.